Hello and welcome to another update video about Optimism. It did hold so far our support, but it has not really rallied of it impulsively. Before we carry on, I just need to move those waves across. This is how it would ideally, oops, not like that. So how it would ideally play out if a wave 2 low has been made here in our trend reversal area in the support area. So, and then we zoom out first, take a quick look at what's going on here. So obviously with Optimism, the idea is, we zoom out a bit to the 4-hour chart. The idea is that we could be towards the end of this overall uptrend. Yeah? Optimism, one of the few coins that has made a new all-time high in this bear market. We've been covering it since, I think, September last year. Was the right decision to do it. We had at the time, I did take all of these off the chart so far, but we had here around 80-90 cents trend reversal area at the time. Amazing entry. I missed it, but I bought at 125, which is a bit higher, but still quite good. I'm quite happy with that position. I still hold 50% of that. I did take 50% of profits somewhere. It's been a few weeks. Yeah, but I intend to let it run and let at least take here this third and maybe part of the fifth wave, and then get out at some point. I guess from what I can see now, the idea is that this is getting quite messy here. It is really getting quite messy, and my read of this is it's not an easy chart to read up there in this region here anymore. My best read of this is that we obviously rallied in a wave 1 here of the July 22 lows to a wave 1 into August 22. We then came down in a wave 2, October, and then we had another 1-2 setup, here another 1-2 setup, and this would be the third wave. Yeah, and here's where it's getting difficult because, I mean, you could make a case that we already had somewhere here a fourth and a fifth, but all of these rallies were pretty corrective. So I'm rather looking at this as the fourth wave with a fifth wave still to come. And in this fifth wave, we possibly completed a wave 1 and a wave 2 when we came down here end of March, yeah, that we hit our trend reversal area and completed here a wave 2 basically. So this is basically the wave 2 of the wave 5. And at the moment we're holding the support area, and as long as we're holding $2.02, it's fine, yeah, and we could possibly focus on higher. But it has maxed out what it can do in this retracement. If it goes below $2.02, I have 167, 168 left as support. But if we lose that level, I think I'm going to lose trust in this coin, and I will consider to basically stop out my position in profit. It's sort of at the moment holding support. I think in the last video we looked at this sort of micro support level here, which worked, but then we came down into it again. But so far this small orange support area did hold. Need to adjust it now a little higher due to the latest high, or maybe not. Leave it where it was. But yeah, also here, I mean, this is just a small support area that I showed for the purpose of, okay, this could be, because we held support here on the 28th of March at around $2.02, that the idea was this could be a wave 1, and here the move down in a wave 2 worked out, but came down again. So I think we got a deeper wave 2, didn't invalidate it because we did hold the $2.08 level. Again, we did hold the orange support, and from here we could now rally in the third wave, but it's just weak. It's just weak. I'm not convinced yet. If it does the same what many other coins are doing, it would hold here and rally. Yeah, because again here as well, if we lose that $2.02 level, yeah, this white wave 2 setup is probably not going to work out. And then yeah, then we have one more support level left at 167, or a little bit higher, but 167 is the key level below which I would lose trust, because that would break the 50% fib retracement, and I'm counting this as a wave 4. Below that, a wave 4 is just simply not reliable. So yeah, it needs to move. Best case would be that it now rallies and breaks above the wave 1 high, which is around 231. We need a break and price to sustain above it. In the next step, the bulls have the objective to take out the 296 level, 297. And overall, I mean, this could easily reach $4 plus if this support area is holding, and we already were at 331 back in February. So it can do it. The bulls just need to show up. Also here we have everything prepared in the chart for further continuation. We have here this cascade of 1-2 setups. We had a wave 3, a wave 4. It now just needs to put in this 5th wave, and we already have a 1-2 setup, another possible 1-2 setup. And at the moment it seems quite tired, it seems quite weak, but you know, when optimism is rallying, it rallies quite strongly. We saw that before, quite impulsively. So yeah, this is sort of where we are. The levels should now be clear that we need to hold. Also resistances should be clear now. Hope you liked the update about optimism. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.